What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We about to head up to Harley and check out some new colors for this black bike, man. I kind of want to paint it, man, so I just kind of want to get an idea and see what them 2021s have to offer, man. Let's just check it out real quick now, shall we? All right, man, we just pulled up to Harley, man. I want to go check out some colors and see what they got for that Joan, dog. See what type of new colors they got, because I ain't really even seen the new 2021s yet, so I want to check them out real quick, and y'all can check them out with me as well. Let me know. I ain't gonna hold you. This burgundy is nice. It's right at the front door. This thing is so cold, dog. Man, we're gonna keep going. Let's see. That's funny. They got this one, this CVO right here on Copart. So this is what it looks like complete. Pretty nice bike. Pretty nice bike, man. Got that purple up in that joint. I'm digging that. Now this color right here looks so vicious, boy. That color do look good. See, I don't got that black on there, man. That color is nice though. Something different for sure. For sure. That's crazy.
Never ending.
Dang.
Yeah, you can walk in front of you.
Oh yeah, no, you're good.
You can go this way. So everything right here in this little block.
Right.
These are all storage bikes. Everything from owners.
Damn.
Don't got the space. Don't live in town.
Right.
Don't feel like keeping the.
Oh,
bike
so
in
you
the
guys
house.
do storage here too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Here. A lot of the time.
Dang, you got a huge wheel on there.
Yeah, we actually just got rid of one with the 30 that was laying frame. It was brown and gold. Yeah. Shoot, you missed it. Did you see the Road King up front?
I didn't even check it out. There's so much going on in here.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, I to be in this every day, bro, it'd be like crazy.
Yeah, we all got all those bikes we went through right there. That's all employee bikes.
Right.
That's
Oh, damn.
Right.
Damn. So when y'all pulling up, it's like,
yeah, it's a Springer.
This thing look crazy right here.
Turbo.
Oh yeah, this is pretty sick. Let me check this out. Dang, you got that turbo on that joint. You got the actual Pro Charger.
Yeah.
Wow. That thing is crazy, dog. This paint job is really sick. That's crazy. Isn't like Daytona Bike Week coming up or something?
It is, yeah. I don't.
Have you ever been?
I haven't been that far east.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I hear it's supposed to be going up, but I'm like, shoot, I don't know if I could take that flight. I'm good.
There's a few dope bikes back up in here too that are hard to see.
Oh.
These are all customer bikes though, so we just can't touch this.
Right, yeah, no, you're good.
You can check it all out. Couple CVOs, couple customs, couple like old school.
Oh yeah, they got the joints up in here. That's crazy. Wow, man. Yeah, that's dope. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart. From how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. Man, so how often do people usually be coming to pick up their bikes from storage? Is it like an everyday thing, or when they come here, they're usually in here for months?
Yeah, I feel like if once it's in here for a little while.
Right, okay.
I mean, there's definitely regulars, guys coming in on a weekly basis.
Right. Dang, that's dope. Oh, okay, for sure. There's not much back in there today. And this thing looks so crazy. Yeah, I ain't never been to no Harley shop like this. Seen this many hogs.
Right now we're number 2 in the nation.
Yeah?
Yeah, we are. Oh, we can't really get out there.
Oh, okay, alright, bet. But we'll probably squeeze through if you want. They got the joints in here for sure.
Which way you want to go, man?
Whatever you show me, man. That thing look crazy. It's like what you be seeing on YouTube, the professional videos and stuff.
Yeah.
Damn, this thing look crazy.
It's a little unreal, but...
Yeah, this look super different, dog.
Here's the CVO.
Oh, yeah, the brownish...
It's up on the rack, so you can't really really go back there, but you can...
Oh, yeah. So it comes with the 21, huh?
It does, yeah. That spoke up there. It's like a half mag, half spoke. It's kind of crazy.
Wow. Okay, yeah, I do see the spoke.
Yeah.
117. I like that that spoiler. Do you like that or what?
I do.
Yeah?
I do. It actually looks a lot beefier from the side.
Yeah, I think it does look pretty good, man. I like the color on it. I mean, it could be more like standout-ish, you know?
That's what I was thinking.
It seems kind of basic for a CVO, but it is pretty nice, you know?
It's still a CVO.
Right, right. Can't go wrong.
On the pictures, though,
Yeah.
it seems like it was a little... I know.
That thing is crazy. Yeah.
Beautiful. Any, like, the stunners?
Oh, this is
Dustin.
Yeah. He be doing all the wheelies and stuff.
Yeah, Seabury.
Yeah.
He's our shop manager.
Oh, dang.
Or our service manager.
Oh, so that makes sense. They be getting all the parts and always here. Because I be always seeing Seabear drive in and out of here. Yeah, that's dope, man.
Actually, you missed one. This one, there's a few
Got a whole nother room. That's crazy.
Like some of the cooler bikes sitting
Yeah,
here.
every day I would have to be. It's like you would never stop adding parts to your bike because there's so much you would see.
Yeah, this one right here is pretty clean. It's a little different. Not many notice what it is, but it's a real.
Yeah, this one is there. It's just like a racing type
it's
touring
like a
bike.
track bike, just like how that street glide.
Right.
Same,
This thing is pretty sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, it look like this one is fast, dude. Got the satin. I can dig that. Got the carbon fiber paint in there too. Look at that. That's pretty dope, man. I dig that.
It's like that Ease carved out.
Yeah, that's different. That's super different. Yeah, they got some nice bikes in here for sure. Oh yeah, that green one is pretty nice. It gets off on camera. You can check that one out. That's pretty sick, man. Yeah, man, I'll be like, man, let me ride one. So do you guys usually just pretty much, if they gotta go on a test ride, they just pick somebody like, hey man, just take the bike? Yeah. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. What was your favorite color, man? What colors are you thinking? What did you guys think about that Harley tour, man? That was the first time I ever seen anything like that. Freaking crazy. I was like a kid in a candy store, dog. But without further ado, I'm trying to figure out some stuff around here, man, what we want to do with this thing. So stay tuned for that, man. We're about to load up and head to Bakersfield. So I have to catch you guys on the next one, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.